guys, I don't think you can see me, or can you? Wait, I'm I'm by the lake, and I don't think you can see me. Wait. Well, anyway, I'm by the lake, and I can't really sleep, and I'm just sitting here. It got a bit cold this past week. So it's not like 30 Celsius in the morning, it's like 10, and during the day it's like 20. So it's a bit colder now, and I just decided to come here and just enjoy myself a bit because too much fucking stuff is happening. So yeah, well, you know, I'm trying to do a lot of things and I get rejected, and I have a feeling that I'm getting sicker and sicker, which I know I probably am. And it's not such a problem because I knew that'll happen, but it's just that I don't know how to deal with that. Tomorrow I have the doctor in the morning at 7. I have to get a shot in my ass for my spine, and I have to get a prescription to go to see my cardiologist as well. I'm sorry you can't see me. It drives me crazy. So yeah, but you can't see me, but at least it's nice. Oh, now you can see me. Okay, so yeah, I have to do that, and I'm trying to lose weight, but it's not going that well. I think I actually gained weight, which is not good. And as you can see, it's really, really lovely here. And yeah, I'm just sitting and thinking. I was called to have an exhibition in Lithuania again, but I'm thinking about it because I have to pay for my own art shipping, and I'm thinking about it because it's not going to be that cheap. I have to see if they're going to choose the paper paintings or the canvas. If they choose canvas, it's going to be really, really expensive, so we'll see. Uh, but anyway, I just wanted to say hi, to show you a little bit of nature, and yeah, talk to you soon. Probably again now. I'm just gonna go somewhere with a bike where I can see myself because I can't see what I'm doing right now or recording. So love you guys and see you soon. Look guys, I found a turtle and she's so cute. I think she's sunbathing. Should I take her to water? I don't know. I can try to take her out. Look. Hi. Hello. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Wanna go to water? Hmm? Do you wanna go to water? Hmm? You wanna go to water? Hmm? Go to water. Hmm? Well, let's leave her for now. She's shy. Hmm? I'm not sure if I should take her to water. Oh, the swans are coming and I'm kind of scared. Let's leave her here and let's just go because the swans are kind of creepy. Look at him. They're creeping up on me. So bye bye, little turtle. Have a nice day. So guys, I hope you had a nice time. We did saw a turtle, and off camera I was nearly attacked by swans. But that's another story. They want food, and I had nothing today. So right now I'm driving next to the horse thing. I'm not sure how do you say it in your country, but there are horses here. And yeah, I'm gonna cook some rice and eat it. It's good for my stomach. So see you tomorrow, guys, or later today, and love you. Subscribe and big hug. Bye.